Hi, this is Lee Burns. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your boundaries, or what we call geofences. A geofence is a boundary that you create around an area on a map. Once you create a geofence, our system then uses state-of-the-art GPS technology to alert you when your vehicle leaves or enters that area. So let's get started and show you how to use this feature in your account. Once you've logged in, you go to the top left-hand corner and click on the menu icon, these three bars here. In the drop-down menu, select Geofences. The first thing you'll want to do is zoom into an area where you want to create your geofence. I'm going to zoom into Dallas-Fort Worth. Next, you select the type of geofence that you would like to create. There are two types of geofences, circular and polygon. I'll first demonstrate the circular geofence. Let's say I want to create a geofence around a metroplex area like Dallas-Fort Worth to be notified if any vehicles in my account leave that area. I first click the circle icon, then I go to the center of the area where I want the geofence to be, click there, and drag outward, and you will see the circle begin to appear. Once all of the area I want covered is encompassed by the circle, I then release the mouse, and the geofence information is going to pop up here on the left-hand side of the screen. In this top area, I give it a name, DFW for example. The category field is optional, so you can fill that in or leave it blank. I will go ahead and label that home. Then before I hit the create button, I'm going to come down here and uncheck the enter box, as I only want to be notified when one of my vehicles leaves this area. If I leave it checked, I will receive notifications both when my vehicles leave and enter the geofence area. Once I select my settings, I simply click Create, and my geofence is done. Now let's create a polygon geofence. Let's say I wanted to see when my son or daughter arrives at or leaves a school they might be attending. First, I want to zoom into an area where the school might be. Then click the polygon icon here. As it says, I will now click to start drawing my shape. After the first click, it will have this line here that shows me what perimeter I am creating by making my next and subsequent clicks. And after several clicks, and whatever shape I'm making, I come back to my original point here and click it to finish and close that shape. And once again, it pops up the information over here on the left-hand side to be filled in. Since I want to be notified of when he gets there and when he leaves as well, I'm going to leave both the enter and exit on this time. Now that everything's done, I click Create, and I now have that geofence as well. To ensure that I'm going to receive those alerts, I need to come over to the top right-hand corner and click the bell icon or master alert notification. I want to make sure my email notifications are turned on, so I click here when it's off. The system also gives you the ability to modify or delete an existing geofence. Deleting is pretty obvious. You just click the trash can icon next to the geofence and then confirm that you no longer want that one in your account. To modify, you simply click on the geofence you wish to change. Come inside the geofence and double-click. You'll notice there is now a white square in the middle of the geofence. If I click on it, I can slide the geofence to cover a different area. I can also adjust the size of the geofence by using the outer square here and dragging it out or in. Once I'm done with my update, simply come back over here and click Update. And the new size and location of the geofence is now what I will be alerted on. The process is only slightly different on a polygon geofence. When you double-click inside the geofence, white boxes pop up at each of the previously selected points or intersections of the lines of the polygon. If you click on any of these white boxes, you can drag and adjust both the size and shape of the geofence. If you wanted to change the location of a polygon geofence, you would have to recreate that fence in the new area. Once again, when you have finished with your updates, just click the Update button. The last note that might be helpful is that you can change your view from street to satellite if you prefer by clicking on the satellite button here when you're making your geofence. This will provide a Google image of the area. You can create as many of these geofences as you like by following these same steps over and over again. And that's about it for geofences. I hope this video has been of help to you. If you have other questions, you can email us at info@apexprotectgps.com or give us a call at 1-877-886-5434. We look forward to hearing from you, and we hope you enjoy your Apex Protect GPS system. Have a great day.